Bonjour à tous! Hello everyone, I am Parul Sehgal Saxena and I am a French language teacher by profession. I teach French for all classes. As far as the education is concerned, I have completed M.Tech in computer science and I am DELF B1 certified. I have a teaching experience of 8 years and I have taught more than 500 students. I started teaching online since last 3 years and I have taught more than 100 students since then. The thing that makes me different from the other teachers is that I have a motivational approach towards teaching. I always help my students to perform to their maximum potential in a persuasive manner. I always encourage them to ask more and more doubts and questions so as to make their concepts clear. I always answer to the individual queries and I always try to respond to the queries on the emails and the messages within a shorter period of time. Moreover, to make my session more interactive and responsive, I always try to mix humor in my class. I am very comfortable using the Google Meet and Zoom and I always use the digital media to keep myself updated with the recent developments in the field of my teaching. I always keep on attending the webinars and the seminars. I interact with the other teachers and the professors far across from the world to keep myself updated. Sulekha eLearn offers a personalized coaching from India's top tutors who are experts in their fields and they understand your requirements both academically and knowledge-wise. Moreover, the sessions are conducted using the advanced tools and technology which aid in better, easy and relevant learning. So, see you guys in the next class. Thank you so much.